Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can customize voiceover sounds and haptics on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and from the home screen tap on settings. Now in the settings page we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next tap on voiceover, then scroll down and tap on audio. Next tap on voiceover sounds and haptics. Now at the top here is the sound section, and then you got haptics. So if you want to turn off the sounds, you tap on the toggle button and that will switch off sounds for voiceover. The same for haptics. If you want to turn off vibration, you can switch it off, or we can switch it on. At the bottom here, you can adjust the sound by dragging on the sound bar to the left or to the right to decrease or increase your voice over sound. And here you also have the match speech volume. You can tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And down here, you can also turn off haptics if you don't want vibration. After that, you got the interaction section. In here you got item focus. Tap on that and you will be able to manage the sound and the haptic. So you can see here, if I tap on it, it will make that sound. You can hear when I tap on it, it will make that click sound. If you want to turn it off, you can switch it off. And when a particular item is focused, it will not make the sound. When you select an item and it has a focus in it, it will stop making the sound depending on whether you want to turn it on or off. Next is the screen recognition item focus, and in here you can also turn on or turn off the sound or haptic, and you can also tap on the preview button. So go down the list here. There are a lot of interaction items. So you got item activated, navigation grab backwards, navigation grab forwards, scroll page, boundary reach, no item discover. So tap on each of the items, and once you are in here, you will be able to manage the sound and haptic. And then we go down to the voice over feedback section. So tap on any of the item in here will allow you to manage the sound and haptic as well. So you can choose to turn off the sound when a screen change, or turn off the haptic, or switch them on. So in here you got the next photo. So you got sound and haptic. So if we switch it on, when you switch an item in photo, it will make a sound. So you can choose to turn it on or off. And then you got app feedback. So you got item loading, item loaded, pop over appeared, alert appear, notification appear, item reordered. So for every aspect of an interaction on your phone, such as an app, or when you are using certain features from VoiceOver, it makes a sound, give you a sound feedback. You can choose to turn it on or off. You got braille. So braille display connected, braille display disconnected. Every time your device is connected or disconnected, it will make a sound. You can choose to manage whether to play the sound or not. Then you got text editing. So again, collaboration occurred, insertion point moved, and so on. So you got text editing sound, system sound, and haptic. So you can manage it. There is no haptic for system, so there is only sound, so you can choose to turn it on or off. And that's it. So that is this section will allow you to customize and manage sounds and haptics for VoiceOver. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.